Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the Blulu 100 Pack Adhesive Cable Clips. If you struggle with messy cables or want an easy way to hang string lights, this product might be for you. First, let's talk about the build quality. These clips are made from a flexible yet sturdy plastic. The adhesive backing is strong but leaves no residue when removed. Each clip holds a wire up to 0.26 inches in diameter, which covers most common cables like USB, Ethernet, and coaxial cables. Installation is incredibly simple. Clean the surface with alcohol, peel off the backing, and press firmly for 30 seconds. For maximum hold, wait 24 hours before putting weight on them. I tested them on painted drywall, wood, and glass. They stuck well on all surfaces, but I recommend avoiding textured walls. These clips aren't just for indoor use. I use them outdoors to hang Christmas lights along my porch. After a week of rain and wind, none fell off. However, the manufacturer recommends keeping them in temperatures between 50 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. One thing I appreciate is the versatility. I've used them behind my TV to route HDMI and power cables, in my car for dash cam wiring, and even in the kitchen for a string of fairy lights. They blend in well and keep things tidy. There are 100 clips in the pack, which is plenty for most projects. The price is very affordable compared to buying individual clips. My only minor complaint is that the adhesive could be stronger on very heavy cables, but for light to medium weight, it's perfect. Overall, I highly recommend the Blulu adhesive cable clips. They are easy to use, versatile, and great value. If you're looking for a cord organizer or a way to hang lights without nails, give these a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.